Well, it's about its final form. The old Death Star, or Angry Bird. All I like is some fusing today and finish up the little details. It's all wrapped up. Everything's inside. So the cap just pops off when it gets up. These motors burn out, and when it starts setting those little artillery shells off, the cap should just pop off. I left the top of the main motors a hole through the ball shell, so even when these motors run out, it'll pop that off. So if it all works out, it should be cool.